In this video, I'm going to give you a demo of how the expense tracker application built in Django look like. So when you come here, you have a login page, and apparently you have a registration page. So let's register a user. So I'm just going with sharankekl1, email sharankekl21, and just a random password, and then register. So you can see I have successfully registered. So let me log in. So as see, you have login. Initially you have none. I have all income expense. So when you come here, you have this add category. So you can create any. So all the categories you have here is created from here. So apparently, if you want some another category, you can just add enter and create category. So when next time you are going to create a category, so on the category slide you will have this other. So right now I'm just going to add a food category, and yeah, restaurant bill, just a note, and on which date that occurs and how much amount. So let's say it was around 300 rupees, and expense type, now you have income or expense. So obviously the restaurant bill is an expense, so you can do this. Now on the total you have this total expense. Now if you somehow, so salary received, let's say, and let's say our salary received on 10th, and our salary received is, let's say, 1 lakh, and we don't have any. Let's tag it to other, and let's tag it income. So we have salary received. Now here is specifically income, and here specifically expense. And so pretty it's a pretty basic application, just simple. Now you have welcome Sharankekl, the user which we have just created. Add expense, create category, and then log out. That's it. We can log in again. Okay, let's go. So that's just a demo of the application which you are going to build in this course.